Welcome back to the 1963 YouTube channel. If you have been watching our videos, thank you so much for keeping up with us. Let me quickly remind you at this point that we have another playlist that shows you how to make quick and very aesthetic crafty products, and this playlist will primarily be putting up most of watercolor cityscapes, urbanscapes, and the city that we've picked for this illustration is Amsterdam. I have created the base of the city line with a 0.5 doodle pen, and then I went ahead with a 2 size doodle pen just to highlight certain areas. So here are the colors that we have picked for this illustration, and let's get mixing.
Woke up in your new apartment in your twin-sized bed. Coffee started, don't remember much. All I know is that you talk too much. Time to go. Ba-ba-dum, ba-ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-ba-bum, ba-ba-dum. You've got those big blue eyes, drive me crazy, make me fantasize about you, baby. And you smell so sweet, like fresh picked daisies. Call me Dahmer, 'cause your heart's so tasty. Ba-ba-dum, ba-ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-ba-bum, ba-ba-dum. And I watched you break like glass you shattered. I said it's my mistake, I make things harder. So I tried my best to shut my mouth, but all the thoughts I hid dug their way out. Ba-ba-dum, ba-ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-ba-bum, ba-ba-dum. Said you can't trust me, I said it's fine, because I'm not happy till I tell a lie. Now my bedsheets smell like your cologne, and in our separate worlds we sleep alone. Ba-ba-dum, ba-ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-ba-dum, da-da-dum, ba-ba-da-ba-bum, ba-ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-ba-bum, ba-ba-dum.
Now we have completed this piece, and here's your complete look at the dried up piece. You can take a closer look at it. The colors are very light and have turned out to be just the way I wanted them. With this, we sum up the series, and our aim was to create 5 pieces of A5 size watercolor cityscapes. I'm going to share my Instagram link so that you can check out what the framed pieces look like. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.